What's going on, mother truckers? So we went in and what we got? A bell?
We got a veil.
What's okay? So it's this thing that goes in the back. Put it on, show them real quick, honey.
No, I will show him.
Oh yeah, you'll see it in the thing. But tomorrow we're going to the courthouse. Official. We're getting married. But today, as always, I want to give you guys some real information. Don't watch movies and don't watch YouTube, and definitely don't check your cameras when driving a semi-truck. Because today's video, we got this DOT officer. Man, this truck driver, honey, you know what he was doing?
What?
He said he was watching his cameras, right? And he was driving in the middle of the highway. For heck along. And then the police officer pulled him over and asked him what he was doing, and he said he was checking his cameras at home.
Can I open it? Yeah? Yeah? You got your license, vegetation, insurance with you? What's going on up here, man? You're driving down the middle of the road. You were in both lanes. Yeah. What were you up here doing that was keeping your attention? Because you were doing something.
No, I'm doing just watching my camera at home.
Watching your cameras at home
Yeah.
while you're driving. That's distracted driving.
Sometimes.
But you can't be watching your cameras at home while you're driving a truck.
Yeah.
Because you were literally in both lanes, and then I get up next to you with my lights on, and you start to come back over in the lane again with me there.
Yeah. Sorry. But
Because you're...
that's what.
It doesn't matter. You can't be driving and watching that while you're driving.
I don't believe it. I think he was watching movies, possibly watching the mother trucker on YouTube. Don't do that, people. I know, we make these videos for you to watch, but please tell me you don't watch them. This is how you could lose your CDL, you could lose your career, and this is how you could lose your life or take someone else's life. So overall, don't do that. But with that said, that's the PSA for today. Wish us luck. We're getting married tomorrow at the courthouse, and I'll film what I can. But I love you. All right, what you got on your head, babe?
This so long.
So what is this? Tell people what this is.
We're at David's Bride.
Yep.
Yeah, is it David's Bride?
I think so.
Yeah, I think we're at
So we're going to the courthouse tomorrow, people.
So we're just looking for like veils.
Yeah. You'll see what we did. We did a little fun little... What?
Don't tell.
Oh, don't tell?
I don't know, should I go with the long one?
I don't know. It's fun for you.
Because I hit the long.
Yeah. What do y'all think? Should Jenna go with the long one or the short one?
This is my tiny.
Oh, what else? Let me see. See? Yeah. I like that. That's the one. 29 bucks? Actually, I hate to say it, but that looks like the nicest one too.
Goes boop boop.
Perfect. That's good.